Hi everyone, welcome to Sparkle Events. Today we're going to be making slime. I'm here with Princess Nova. We made this yesterday. The slime came out very nice, very slimy. In the package you're going to receive 2 things of glue, 2 confetti activators. And what you're going to need is a regular bowl from the kitchen, spatula, and that's it. So here we go. In it goes. And
I
again,
wonder how it's going to turn out too.
I don't know. This is the metallic glue. The other one we did was clear. And then we're going to take the confetti stuff. I noticed that it was easier to shake it at first before we put it in there. And Nova, you want to dump that in for us?
Yep.
Okay, go for it. Squeeze. Oh yeah. Confetti time. There's the magic stuff. And then we take a little break. Just pour in a little, start stirring it up. Alright, we were getting worried there for a second. We weren't getting slime, but we opened up the package, cut it open, and got the rest of it out. And as soon as we did that, it started to form very quickly. The glue got stuck in the bottle. And so obviously you need just the right amount to make the right kind of slime. And I've washed my hands and now I can play with the slime and not get any slime on my hands. So that means you have official slime. So storing this stuff, you're going to want to put it in a Ziploc bag or an airtight container. Also keep it in the refrigerator because this slime, we just left it out thinking it'd be fine, and now it's all broken and not really slime anymore. So, alright, well thank you for watching Sparkle Events. Please subscribe and have a beautiful day.